Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 104 of Building the Tumbler from Batman. This issue, we're doing the airlon. What do they actually call it? The air brake, I think they call it. The left emergency air brake. After looking through, again, we're still looking at the 2000s Batmobile. Yeah, I like the classic sort of styling, but yeah, I like the look of that. Looking at Gotham, Batman TV series without Batman. I watched a bit of it. I didn't really get into it. The 5th season, I didn't realise it was going to so long. There we go. Read all about that if you like. And indeed, there's Bruce. Cool. So yes, this is what we've got now. The left emergency air brake comes in 2 parts, which we just fit together. And then we fit that to the frame that we've already got with a little bracket piece that goes on and holds it all in. Should be easy. Let's see just how easy it actually is. So the frame from last time, this is what we've got now. That obviously just simply pops in like that. And underneath there, we need a couple of AAP screws to hold that together. They are tiny. I'm going to need my smaller screwdriver for those. So let's get that out. What have I got? Where's my proper little tiny one? I can't find it. There we go. That will do. That will be lovely. We get one screw there. Through the top of that. That feels like that's not biting. That feels better. There we go. That's that in there. And then the other side will be much the same. A couple of visible screws, but they're on the underside anyway. So not a problem. There we go. That's that together. Then we're going to need the screw, which is also quite a tiny one. So I'm going to use a small screwdriver for that as well. And that is going to be putting this bracket onto this frame. So this is going onto this side like that. So we've got one end of that goes into there. The other end of that goes into there. That way round, because that then goes onto top of that. And the screw will go into there, through there, and into the metal, if I can get the screw to stay in the right place on the end of my screwdriver. It's not liking that. Let's try the bigger screwdriver. Seems to be held on the end there, so let's get that lined up. That through in there. Somewhere around there, that should be going in. There we go. So there we have our left side, all flappy, ready to be connected up to that silver bit there, which will just give us the movement there. So there's enough movement there, that's fine. It's free enough that will be okay. I need to tighten that screw a little bit more anyway. But that is that. Join me next time when we're going to do exactly the same over the other side. So for now, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.